Okay, here are some things I got for the Black Friday sales. First, these slippers. Now, I have plantar fasciitis, so I can't walk around in my house barefoot. In the summer, I wear flip-flops, but it's cold now. So this has like a nice arch to it, and they're warm. It's just a great slipper. So got that. I got some herb seeds for my indoor herb garden. Oh, these. These were on special. I have these in every color, but you can never have too many black ones. So these, the Hay Nuts leggings, just, oh my God, they are just buttery soft. They're just the right amount of lightness so that you don't get too hot. Like, I love these. Okay. Oh, these. I have this in a couple colors, but of course needed a white one. No. This is the Crazy Yoga, like, it's like a muscle tank. So adorable. I have these in a couple colors. Buttery soft, just fits really nice. Nice cut to it. I got the Tarte Creamy Creaseless concealer. This is great if you are, you know, of a certain age. It's not going to get in your fine lines and wrinkles. Got my, my Your Skin But Better, the CC cream. I love this. I swear by it. I use the medium tan. It is not heavy, but it is full coverage. Feels like you're just putting on like a moisturizer. Great product. Then I got, oh yes, this. This was like 42% off for Black Friday. The Color Wow, and it is the Dream Coat spray. This I use in my hair. I love it. I swear by it. It's the best. And then, yes, the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint body lotion. I love this so much. First of all, it just goes into your skin. It's not greasy, but it's heavy enough that it really moisturizes. And whatever is in this, I swear, I can't like say for sure, but I think it keeps the bugs away in the summer. Like, it must be the essential oils in this because everyone's getting eaten up and I'm fine. So love this. And that's it. That's what I got for Black Friday sales.